Hi, this is Heather, the Fed Up Foodie, where I inspire busy people who love to cook and bake so that you feel inspired in your kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a summertime favorite, macaroni salad. The problem is, though, that most people find homemade macaroni salad to be bland and boring. Well, not this recipe. You'll want to start with finely dicing onion, celery, dill pickles, and red bell pepper, and adding it to a large bowl. Okay, my friends, my knife skills gets the job done, but I can hear all the chefs yelling at me to tuck my fingers. This video shows some handy tips to dicing your veggies quickly. Just remember that I'm a rebel and I don't tuck my fingers. Don't be like me. Just as a note, buying the pre-sliced dill pickles that you use for hamburgers makes the job of slicing the pickles very fast and simple. This combination of veggies adds flavor, crunch, and sweetness, making it so much more fun to eat than a standard basic macaroni salad. Once you have all your veggies diced, now is the time to make the macaroni salad dressing in the same bowl as the veggies. One of the secrets to adding even more flavor is to use dill pickle juice instead of vinegar. This is because not only do these type of pickles have vinegar, they also use garlic and dill. It makes it completely irresistible. Make sure to use quality salt. I'll link my favorite down below. Another element of making the best macaroni salad is the addition of the spices. Not only do they add more flavor, they accentuate the savoriness of the salad, which is a tasty contrast to the sweetness of the veggies. Once you have all your ingredients for the dressing added to the bowl, mix it well and let the dressing sit in the refrigerator while cooking the pasta. Letting the dressing sit for about 20 minutes allows all the flavors to marry together. In a large pot of water, cook the macaroni noodles to al dente, or in other words, soft and yet slightly chewy. It is extremely important to drain the pasta well. However, what is even more important is to let the pasta cool to room temperature by stirring occasionally. Please, whatever you do, don't rinse the pasta to cool it down. This removes too much starch from the noodles, and the starch helps the dressing to cling to the pasta. You will know your pasta is at room temperature when it stops steaming, and when touched, it's tacky, sticking to your finger. Taking the time to cool the pasta is well worth a few extra minutes because it prevents an oily, sloppy mess that happens when mayo is added to hot pasta. Once the dressing is added, stir well, cover, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, but ideally overnight. Okay, so here's the secret to a luxurious creaminess. Remove the salad from the refrigerator, stir, and add in an additional 1/2 to 1 cup of mayo. This salad is amazing with ribs, wings, fried chicken, and all kinds of summer favorites. If you like this recipe, make sure to follow along for more easy recipes made from scratch that you and your family will love.